In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload 60 fps video on TikTok. First, open TikTok, then going on the profile, then into going on this three dot menu, again setting and privacy, then scroll down, then make sure data saver currently turn off, then go back, then click on the first plus icon, then now select your video first. So okay, I select this video. This is 60 fps. If I check on my gallery, if I check this one, then click on this link, you can see this is a 60 fps video. Now again going on TikTok. Okay, now click on the next. Now type your hashtag here and title anything you want, then add your location. Now click on the more option. So here are make sure allow high quality uploads. If you ever turn off, you need to turn on this topic, allow high quality upload. That's it, no other works you need to doing on here. Now click on the post. That's it, your posts are ready for public view. So this is the method how you can upload 60 fps video on TikTok.